Hello vlog! Welcome to my tanamoms. Okay, to our tanamoms, plantitos and plantitas as well as daddies, kuya, ate, inang, and tatang. Today is a beautiful day, but before that, I would like to say thank you to my subscribers. For those who are new, do not fail to subscribe to Mommy's Group's channel. So what makes it beautiful today? It is because we have a new review for this kind of plant. See? So you have a guess now, okay? You have a bright idea of what I am having today, my review today, okay? And so this plant is very popular. It is because of the presence of this one. Okay, I just acquired this, and that is why I am very excited to share with you. I have the splash of green and white, the constellation, but I do not have the pure green, okay, pure dark green color of this. So what family is this? It belongs to family Araceae, or the arum or the aroid family. Okay, so what is the common name for this? Okay, I am going to give you five common names for this. They are known as Mexican breadfruit. Okay, why? Because of the corn cob shaped fruit of this one. So it's just like the maize that we eat. Okay, those are the, it refers to that Mexican breadfruit, or if not, it is also known as hurricane plant. Hurricane, I cannot grasp why hurricane, probably because of the shape of the leaf, just like that one. Okay, it looks like that of a wave with that of the distance between the split. Another one is, it is also named as Swiss cheese plant. It's not Swiss cheese vine, which is that of the Adansonii. Okay, so this one is Swiss cheese plant. It is because it looks like that of a cheese with the presence of the holes. Another, it is also commonly named as cut leaf philodendron, but actually this is not a philodendron. So what is that distinct? I am going to introduce only two distinct character so that you will not be confused of this. First is the presence of this split. This split, especially found in the adult leaf, is known as fenestrations. Based from readings, since this comes from the forest, they thrive well in the forest floor. The reason why they have that split leaf, so that, or the fenestration, so that it can maximize the use of the capture of the flecks of the sun. So it can maximize. So these are found at the forest floor, and only a few amount of light is there. That is why it produces an adaptation, splitting itself, so that it can maximize the use of the leaf. The second character that I am going to introduce to you is that its holes or its lobes is elongated. Okay, so see, it is elongated. So again, the presence of the split, which is known as fenestration, and the second is that fenestration is elongated. And okay, bonus, it has a heart shape. Okay, heart shape. Okay, heart shape leaf. which is bigger than the palm of my hand, okay, bigger than my face. So eventually, when this becomes, since this one is a viner, a climber, with the presence of its roots, aerial roots or adventitious roots, it likes to attach itself in rocks, okay, or at the trunk of trees. And so, what is the scientific name for this kind of plant? This one is, it belongs to family Araceae, species Monstera. Okay, you heard me right. Monstera, species Deliciosa. Again, family Araceae, genus Monstera, and species Deliciosa. For Monstera, there are 48 species. So for the genus Monstera, there are 48 species, and this is only one, which is our Monstera Deliciosa. Why it is named as Deliciosa? It is because that corn cob like fruit, okay, tastes like that of a pineapple. It tastes just like that of a pineapple. Okay, how is this propagated? Okay, I am going to show you. If you noticed, you can see these adventitious roots. Okay, and it is near that of a node. We cut that stem. Okay, if you are going to feel the bulging of the node below that one, those are part of the stem. Okay, use a clean knife and cut that one. And then do not directly place it in a well-draining medium, okay, but then immerse that first in water for a few days so that it can acclimate and then produce bumps, probably 2 to 3 weeks produce a bumps. And you can add root hormone for your onsani water so that it can grow roots faster, and then transfer that into a well-drained medium. Again, our well-drained medium, it is a mixture of garden soil, our anunotong or the Cyathea roots, as well as this one likes chopped coconut chopped coconut husk. Okay, another thing, it likes filtered light. It doesn't like direct sunlight. So since this is new, okay, and I am going to place this first. I am going to baby this one first. Okay, and another thing, the leaf is attached to a pitule, and the pitule has this sheath. Okay, what color? Okay, light green in color, and that is always remember that that is where new leaf will come out, having a soft pitule. So this sheath, okay, it splits there where new pitule with new leaf will will arise. Another thing, for Monstera Deliciosa, it has a short stem, hard stem. They are climbers, they are viners again, and it is also described as shrubs. They have that short stem in between that of the petioles. Arrangement of the petioles to the stem is alternate. Okay, alternate. Another thing, always remember that the juvenile leaf, just like this one, okay, is does not produce fenestration, but when it becomes more adult, then that is the time that splitting will appear. However, there are those wherein when they are still young, okay, juvenile, meaning to say that no two will have the same patterns, no? Others will produce fenestrations, others will produce, will have nothing, no holes in it. So eventually we'll just wait for it to have the split. And another, if this one is placed in a condition which it doesn't like to form splits, then find another corner in your garden wherein it has the right condition, filter light, so that fenestrations will be produced. What is the shape? It is oval or ovate. Okay, okay, this one, having a, the base is cordate, okay, base is cordate, and the margin is lobe because of the presence of the split. Always remember that fenestration almost reaches the midrib, and if you are going to feel it, they are glossy, no, they are glossy. And one reading is that still we are going to clean the leaf. It's not clean, but wipe it with neem oil from neem tree. So I am going to look for that neem oil so that this will have a glossy, very nice effect in our garden. Garden kuno. Okay, and so if you are going to feel it, the venation is pinnate. Okay, pinnate, which is, if I am going to look into the underside, this is the underside of the Monstera Deliciosa, light mint green in color, but on the other side, the one that is exposed to sunlight, it is darker in color with a more pronounced venation at the underside, and it is pinnate. Okay, meaning to say one there, one there, one there, one there. Okay, so it's just like that one. That is pinnate venation. Okay, and so for this one, okay, they do not possess soft or fleshy pitule, but they are hard, but it's much harder than that of the stem. So see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6. I have the juvenile, okay, which is yellow green in color. So probably after 2 weeks, this is going to, 2 weeks or a week, is going to open. So once again, this is our Monstera Deliciosa. So see how big it is. So that's it. And please do not fail to subscribe to Mommy's Group's channel. Thank you. However, before I am going to end, I always forget this one. Shout out to the graduates as well as Kent and Arjin, who are always there in helping retweeting my vlog or vjourn. Okay, so God bless everybody, tanamoms, and all the plantitos and plantitas out there.